Yeah, Mafia probably going to make you.
Yeah.
Christmas season real well.
DJ, what do you think? It's kind of sweet. I like it. It's not. It's got a good bite.
I've known Lane since kindergarten. Johnny moved in 3rd grade to our elementary school, so we were all friends before that. Everybody started barbecue jobs. Johnny worked at Valentino's, at Nickel Way, worked at Free. Eventually, we were like, all right, we should have our own barbecue restaurant and run it the way we want to run it. Since then, we've been hanging out every day. Thursdays, me and Lane get there like in the early morning. Lane is touching up, going back over.